What's up, Fort Worth Fabric fam? Welcome to Friday Fabric Finds for the week of March 15th, 2024. My name is Justin. I am a product editor and a photographer.
And I'm Clint. I'm an inventory specialist.
And this is a series where we go over the Friday newsletter and then go out into our warehouse, go show you in person what that fabric looks like. So let's get to it. First, we have the Just Peachy Friday Bundle. This has 8 fat quarters with peach colored prints from manufacturers such as Moda, Northcott, and Free Spirit. This Friday bundle is priced at $29.96, so make sure to get yourself one before we run out.
Next up, we've got Sandy Toes from Clothworks. We have the full collection of yardage, 24-inch panels, and 2 quilt kits with that one. The Hillside Charm quilt kits and the Regatta quilt kits. Just a word to let y'all know though, the Regatta quilt kits will be available in 2 weeks. We are just waiting on some patterns. It's an ocean-themed collection with marine creatures and seashells in a color palette of taupe, blue, sky, aqua, gray, and white. So definitely go check that one out.
Next we have Fragrant Batiks from Banyan Batiks. This has the full collection yardage as well as Pansy Time quilt kits. This group has flowers, leaves, and tile work in a color palette of purple, pink, teal, black, yellow, and ivory. This collection is beautiful. Go check it out.
We've also got Trek from Figo. We have the full collection of yardage for that collection. We've also got fat quarter bundles, 10-inch tiles, and 2 quilt kits for that one as well. The Cabin Valley quilt kit and the Forest Fungi quilt kit. It's inspired by hilly hikes and wild terrain, so it's got wildflowers, rocks, and hills, and a color palette of green, rust, teal, and cream. Definitely worth taking a look at.
Next we have Raise the Volume from Art Gallery. This collection features assorted yardage as well as fat quarter bundles. This collection is an assortment of low volume prints and a cream white color palette. So if you're in need of any like neutral colored blenders, this group is definitely worth checking out.
This week on sale, we have our Water's Edge quilt kits. That is with Desert Oasis from Moda, and that quilt kit is regularly $187.96, and it is on sale for $109.96, so quite a steal on that one.
Next, we have New Colors from Decostitch from Art Gallery. This collection features the full collection yardage as well as fat quarter bundles. This group is a blender collection made for stitch lovers. If you need to add a decorative stitch feel with new colors such as Riverbed, Peppercorn, Fudge Brownie, Cinnamon Sugar, Driftwood, Rain Cloud, Windswept, and Sea Glass, definitely check this group out because it's pretty cool.
Also, we have Springs in Town from Riley Blake. This is a full collection of yardage. We've got patterns, fat quarter bundles, 10-inch stackers, 5-inch stackers, 2.5-inch roly-polies, as well as the Hatchery Hack table runner kits. This collection features bouquets of florals in a color palette of blush, apricot, sunshine, powder, and peacock.
Next, we have Heatwave from Free Spirit. This collection features the assorted yardage as well as the Wild Thing quilt kits. This collection has hot colors with tone-on-tone prints that sort of work like solids. It adds a lot of personality and energy to any projects you might be working on. The lights add illumination, darks add depth, and mediums add the heat. So if you're in need of any hot colors for your projects, woo, go check this group out because it is hot.
We also just want to let you know to definitely check out our March bargains because we are updating it daily. So there's always different remnants, notions. You never know what's going to be in there. So definitely give it a look.
All right, that's going to do it for this week's episode of Friday Fabric Finds. Thank you for checking us out. Definitely leave a comment, like, subscribe, all of that definitely helps us out. But with that being said, we'll see you next week. Bye.